Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which should be somewhere. Let's just look for it. So it looks like it is right here for me. Once you find it, you want to open it up. If it pops up with anything like this, just skip it, disregard it. And from here, you want to tap on the three bars, then go to the settings. And at the bottom you should see import option. So let's tap on it. And from here you can select if you wanted to import it from VCF file or SIM card. Now today I'm going to go over just the SIM card option, but VCF file can be created using applications if you are interested in it. So let's go to SIM card, tap on OK. And once you do, it will show up all the contacts that are on that SIM card. Now for me it's only 4 contacts, so not much. But by default they will all be selected, and if you don't want some kind of contacts, you will need to disable them by just tapping on it like so. And once you are satisfied with every contact that is selected, all you need to do is tap on the check mark. It will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and now if you go back you can see that they are right over here. And that is basically how you would import contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.